create a logical volume. Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of the video series that covers in and out of storage spaces. In the third part, you saw how you can create virtual disks from an available storage pool. Now that we have created two new virtual disks called Financial Virtual Disk 01 and Financial Virtual Disk 02 in the previous video, the fourth and final part of the video series will guide you to create one or more logical volumes from a newly created virtual disk. Okay, we are in the Server Manager, File and Storage, Services. We'll click on Volumes and we'll click Tasks. We'll click New Volume. The New Volume wizard opens. On the Before You Begin page, click Next and we'll click the File Server where we have our virtual disk. When we click on the appropriate file server, we can see our two virtual disks that were created in the previous video, disk 7 and disk 8. You can also see the subsystem of these disks. It says storage spaces for both the disks. So we'll click on the first disk, which is disk 7, Financial Virtual Disk 0, and the capacity is 2 GB. So I'll click on that. I'll click Next. For the new volume that we are going to create, we'll specify 1 GB as the volume size and I'll click Next. And I'm okay with the drive letter, which is E drive, and I'll click Next. And again, I'm okay with the file system and the allocation unit size. And for the volume label, I'll type Finance Volume 01. And I'm not going to check generate short file names, which is not recommended anyways. And remember, in file system option, you also have an option to select REFS, which is the new file system of Windows Server 2012. So these are the settings that I'll set for my new volume, and I'll click Next. Just make sure that all tasks completed successfully and I'll click on Close. Now you can see a new volume which is created. The volume drive letter is E drive and the volume label is Finance Volume Fixed and the capacity is 1 GB. So the volume is listed under the server where it was created. You can also verify that the volume is in Windows Explorer. So as soon as I created and formatted and also assigned a drive letter to the new volume got mounted on the server. The available free space of Financial Virtual Disk 01, I've created another logical volume. So you can see here, this is the second logical volume that I have, and the capacity is almost a gig. So for the Finance Virtual Disk 01, you can see we have two volumes created. Okay, this concludes the final part of the video series that covers in and out of storage spaces. So in this video series, we covered the basic understanding, deployment, and configuration of storage spaces. I hope you enjoyed this video series. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.